Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Mark Darwin. This is Tech in the Real World. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Mac Mini M4 Pro chip. So I've been waiting for this to arrive all week and it's finally been delivered. So I want to get straight into it, have a look inside of it. I'm really excited about the new design. I've heard that it's a lot different, a lot smaller, and much more compact, but retaining the same performance as the original one. So let's have a quick look at the box. Yes, the box is a lot smaller than the original. It's a very nicely packaged box, as all Apple products are. So you see you've got the 24 gigabytes of memory with 512 gigabytes SSD and a Mac Mini with an M4 Pro chip in it. So this is the top of the range one. You can spec it up well over £2,000, but I just stuck with the standard model because I've got an external drive I can put in it, and that should be plenty for me for my video editing for the channel. So again, greatly packaged, really excited to get into this. You can see here, really nice Apple logo. Let's get into this box then. Usual Apple tabs to pull off, plastic free. Okay, let's turn this over and have a look. Yeah, there we go. So that is tiny. For the amount of power in this thing, that is the smallest device. As you can see, it's really small. Plenty of ports on the back. So you've got your Thunderbolt ports on the back and USB-C on the front. Just get this packaging off. Just move that out of the way. So really nice design, as you can see, guys. Lovely Apple finish as always. I feel fantastically made, which is like all Apple products. So you see on the back here, you've got your HDMI outputs, your 3 Thunderbolt ports, some of them Thunderbolt 5, an Ethernet port and a power supply. Then, bit of plastic left, and then you've got your cooling underneath. Now one thing I've heard which is not so good is the fact that they've decided to put the power switch underneath the Mac. So I'll see how I get on with that, because you have to lift the device up to power it on, which seems a bit strange. Why not put it on the front or the top? But anyway, that's just one minor thing so far that has been noted from some reviewers. So let's pop that down and look in what else we've got in the box. So we take the lid off. So all this comes with initially is a power cable. So nothing else. You get no keyboard and mouse, which is why it's good value for money. You just get the power cable and the device, which is fine because I've got a keyboard, a mouse and a monitor ready to go. So what I'll do now is I will get all this set up, have a play around with it, do some tests. I will do a quick initial impressions video maybe over the weekend at some point, and then what I want to do then is sort of focus on a long-term review more than the short-term. So I want to have a play around with it for a week or so at least, or maybe longer. Then do a review on it, then see how it's fitting into my workflow, because this is going to be my new content creation device over my MacBook Air, because this is a lot more powerful. So it'll be interesting to see how I get on with it compared to the MacBook Air. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed the unbox and the introduction to the Mac Mini, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I've tried to build the channel up, so that'd be great. And I'll speak to you soon. Thank you very much.